All right. So um, today what we are going to be doing, we are going to look at how to use the if function to know the grades of students and also to use the sum and the average function to understand the total scores and then the average score. So I'm going to be using the sum, average, and if functions. All right. So just follow me as I do this. So I'm going to give an explanation to that. So let me just delete these stuffs. Um, okay. So as you can see here, I'll just type in grade. Okay, these are the names of the students. So these are the score, what they scored in the exam. And then here we have the grade. So what we want F to appear where we have this range 0 to 49. We want grade to appear where we have 50 to 59, and we want 60 to 69 to appear, good to appear where we have 60 to 69, and then I also want excellent to appear where we have 70 and above. So I'm going to put the equal to sign and do the if statement. All right. So I have the if statement there. So I'm going to open a bracket. So we'll do B2. We are referencing this where you have the score B2 less than 50. What do I you put comma? What do I want it to do? I want it to say fail. Alright. So I'm going to put comma. I've made my first statement. So let me do the second statement, another if statement. Have A1. No, this should be B2 because we are still on B2. When it's less than 60. So what do I want it to say? I want it to say credit. Alright. So I put my comma. Then I make another if statement. Um, so when B2 is less than 70, yeah, 70. So I want it to say good. Alright. So and then if it's not, this is just what we're having again, the true false statement. So now let it return excellent. Right, because this is the last thing we have. So it's the value if false. You can see the logical value if false. So if it's not all these statements, these conditions, I'm telling Excel the syntax to return excellent. So something is wrong with this syntax, so we can go and correct it. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, so we have credit. So instead of typing again, let's just drag down. Let's drag down. So when we drag down, you can see that where we have 80, we have excellent because it's 70 and above. 90 excellent. When we have 45, it's below 49. We have fail. Where we have 50, we have credit. So this is how you can use it. Um, let's on the door of as a teacher, you can use this to just make your work easier, especially after marking your students' scripts. So here I'm just going to do some. Alright, I'm using some, not if. Remember to look at where it is. I changed selector to some. So I'm doing some. So the range is already there. So this is the total scores. So now I want to do average. So Remember that the range is B2 to B20. Alright, so I want to do average. No, not B21, so you can change it to B20 because B21 is already the total. So this is the average score. Alright, that's the average score. Okay, so you can just reduce it to 2 decimal place. Okay, so it has been done. So this is how you use the if statement, the sum function, and the average function for your work as a tutor or teacher. So thank you for watching. Do remember to like and subscribe. Bye.